Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you a super useful website where you can access some of the most advanced AI models completely free. The website is called lmarena and it gives you direct access to powerful AI models like ChatGPT-4, Gemini Pro, DeepSeek Pro, Grok-3 and many more, all in one place. Whether you are into writing, coding, data analysis, research or just experimenting with AI, this site has got you covered. And the best part, no subscription required, no hidden fees, just visit and use. So if you ever wanted to try multiple AI models side by side without paying for each of them, go visit lmarena.ai today. Try it out, explore the tools and see which AI models fit your needs best. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AI tools, tech tips and hidden gem every week.